Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of a mechanical project, design and fabrication of manual paddy weeder with grass cutter. Actually, the concept of this project is we are going to design a manual paddy weeder. So actually this manual paddy weeder is available in online. So from the manual paddy weeder we are going to do some attachments like grass cutter and free wheels and wheels for better operation. So the concept is this paddy weeder is used to remove the unwanted weeds, and also we can enable the grass cutter which is capable of removing the unwanted grasses. This is detachable. If you want, you can able to attach the grass cutter, or if you don't want, you can able to remove the grass cutter. And also there are height adjustments. We can able to adjust the heights, and this weeder will much helpful for paddy cultivators. And also we have the controller for grass cutter. We can able to adjust the speed of the grass cutter. The entire operation was done using the battery power supply. So we have given a regulator, voltage regulator. So according to the voltage, the motor will vary the speed. So this is how the entire mechanism has been made. So if you want only the weeder, we can use only the weeder, or if you want only the grass cutter, we can use only the grass cutter. If you want, we can use both the mechanisms. So this is a simple mechanical model which was done for an engineering students. So guys, if you required this type of projects, or if you need any help to complete your project, you can contact our executive. We have a team of experienced people eager to help you on all types of research or R&D projects. So if you have any queries, or if you require this type of projects, you can contact in the number given in the screen, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get regular update, and we post video every 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.